Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This here is the Creator Combo and it's got some nice new features and upgrades, including 107 gigabytes of built-in storage. It can now capture at 240 frames per second while filming in 4K. It features the newly upgraded Active Track 7.0. Now this is not a review of the Osmo Pocket 4. I'm kind of doing it backwards. I've already uploaded my review. So if you are interested in that, I will leave a link to it down in the description. So with all that said, let's just get right into it here and we'll check out the new hardware. Kind of just pull everything out here and then we'll take a look at it all. That's everything that's in the box. This first little package here has a little case. Just a little portable case for your Pocket 4. There's a second case you can see here. This is what it's actually in right now. Very similar to what the Pocket 3 came with. And of course here we have an information package, quick start guide, and we have some stickers. So we'll get into the main package here and we'll take a look at the gear. Everything's nicely packaged inside there. First thing here, we have two wind muffs, as the Creator Combo does come with a microphone. So here are the wind muffs for it. We have a gray one and a black one. And here is the microphone. I do believe it is a Mic 3 that comes with it. So perfect if you're going to be using your Osmo Pocket 4 for vlogging. You're going to have great audio right out of the box if you get the Creator Combo. Not sure what this is, but we'll find out here in a second. This here is a fill light, so that's something new that we haven't seen in the past. Not quite sure how it attaches, but we will take a look at that as we go along. And here we have some accessories for the microphone. Essentially, we have a magnet for mounting and we have a clip. These are just used with your microphone. Allows you to mount it nice and easy. You can either have the clip on there or you can use the magnet for mounting as well. We'll continue on here. We've got a little tripod, it looks like. And yes, indeed, tripod if you want to do some hands-free filming. We've got a USB-C to USB-C data and charging cable. Here we have a magnetic lens. It is labeled 0.75 times 15 millimeter. Here is a charging dock for the microphone. And here we have a wrist strap or a wrist lanyard. In this package here is the base for it. This allows you to connect it to a tripod. It gives you pass-through charging so you can still plug it in to charge it or to transfer data. And then over here, we have the Pocket 4. You can see it's labeled Pocket 4. We have a protector over the screen there. Looks like with the Pocket 4, something that's new is that they have a gimbal guard for it, as you can see there, according to the little instructions printed on it. To remove it, we just twist it. And indeed, there it is. Some more stickers there that have to come off. To reattach it again, you just place it and then lock it in. You can see on the back of the gimbal there, that's new. We have a connector. So that's, I'm assuming, how we connect the fill light. We'll take a look around here. Other than that, very similar. USB-C port for charging on the bottom. Memory card slot on the side, but this time it's now behind a door. On the Pocket 3, that was just fully exposed. So that's actually kind of nice. And of course we can power it on just by simply rotating the screen. Now I'm going to have to connect this to the app and get the firmware updated. And something else that's interesting, you can see here underneath the screen, which is new, we have two new buttons. One has a picture of a magnifying glass with a plus sign, and this one is labeled C. You can see now that it's powered on, that light is illuminating. And as you can see, there are buttons right on the light there, so we have different brightnesses. And I'm assuming, yeah, different color temperatures. And just like some of their other cameras, it does allow us to use the camera up to 5 times before it has to be activated. So that is all the equipment and gear that comes with the Pocket 4 Creator Combo. If you're interested in this camera and you want to learn about all its new capabilities and features, definitely go and watch my review that I uploaded most likely yesterday. That'll go over more in detail all the new capabilities and features that are included with the Pocket 4. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.